Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Patriot battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged before starting. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from potential battery acid. These precautions are crucial for a safe and smooth battery replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. You'll find the battery located under the hood, typically on the passenger side of your Jeep Patriot. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This is usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your 10mm wrench for this. Once the negative is off, disconnect the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable, then remove the battery hold-down clamp. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the tray. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly. This ensures a good connection. Now, gently place your new battery into the tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. To finish up, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are tight and secure to prevent any issues. Applying an anti-corrosion spray to the terminals will help extend your battery's life. Finally, double-check everything before starting your vehicle. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial health, check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.